My dear French-speaking friends, I want you to sound as professional and impactful as possible in English. But sometimes the French is interfering in your English and it doesn't quite come out right. So today I'm going to tell you one word that you need to change to make sure you sound professional. And that is the word commercial. Yes, we have the word commercial in English, but we use it as an adjective. For example, this product was a commercial success. We do not use it for a person. Who are the people in a company that do this job? They are salespeople. A salesperson, many salespeople, or the sales team, if you want to. So next time you want to talk about those people in your company who go out and sell your products, remember, they are sales people.